Hello, friends. My name is Bruno. I like to speak a lot. I speak very fast.
Hello, Bruno. Your words run quickly. I learned something today.
Slow words help us listen.
Fast words feel strong to me.
Bruno, do you listen to others?
Sometimes, but I trust my own voice.
Listening gives time to think.
I never thought about that. When everyone speaks together, I feel confused.
That happens to everyone.
I feel calm when I listen. Your words help me choose better.
Kind ears build kind hearts.
Slow listening builds wisdom.
I learned something today. Listening makes me stronger inside.
Good listeners make good friends.
Listening is a gift.